As you can imagine, news of Kate's pregnancy is making headlines across social media. So take a look at our CNN Twitter heat map and you can see just how popular the subject is right across the globe. In fact, when the news first broke, we were seeing nearly 5,000 tweets per minute. And at last check, it was about at 1,200. So let's take a look at just what a few of those tweets are saying. The first comes from British Prime Minister David Cameron, delighted by the news that the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge are expecting a baby. They will make wonderful parents. And then from Canadian Prime Minister Stephen Harper, Lauren and I congratulate the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge on their wonderful news. #RoyalBaby, a very popular hashtag, as you can imagine today. And then from comedian and TV star David Walliams, congratuel done, William and Kate. Very happy for both of you. And Cheryl Cole, the British singer, of course, tweeted to her 3.1 million followers, "I'm so excited that we're having a royal baby. Congratulations," with many exclamation points. And finally, from British reality TV star Harry Maxwell, he wrote, "Already excited for the royal baby concert at Buckingham Palace." Certainly expecting a lot there. We want to hear from you as well. Your reactions. Go to CNN iReport. Tell us what you think. That's at ireport.cnn.com.